Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CoolZie. Today we will do another unboxing video. Okay, today I just received my product that I purchased recently on my throughout the online store. Okay, today we will unboxing a webcam, a Xiaomi HD USB webcam. This is really cheap webcam in the market. I think among the cheapest and have a good review. Okay, so many people, I think around on that online store around, I think we have 500 more people give review on this product and they are really satisfied with the product. That's why I choose to purchase it. And other than my daily use, I also want to make sharing with you guys. Maybe you are looking for a new webcam for meeting or maybe others. Alright, okay, so let's start the unboxing. Okay, so we proceed with the unboxing for today's product. Okay, so okay, let's start. For this version, I focus on some affordable price for the webcam. Okay, so this is the webcam. Alright, okay, so simple packaging. Okay, consider as a low price or budget webcam. So like I think it's quite good packaging. Okay, right. Alright, okay, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so here we go. Alright, quite thick, the bubble wrap sent by the seller. Okay, so this is the Xiaomi HD USB web USB camera here. Okay, you can see it here. Okay, alright, okay, so that's it. Xiaomi HD web USB camera. Okay, so the price in ringgit is only 59 ringgit, or maybe in dollar around I think maybe around $15 or maybe $20, I'm not sure. Okay, but I just got from my local online store. So let's see what's inside. It's simple packaging, no sellotape here. Okay, here like that. Okay, and alright, that's it. So on top of it you have the, I think this is the detail about the product. Okay, with all the information, detail about what you have, what the criteria and all, what the the others information that you need. Okay, alright, and behind we have the webcam manual. Okay, I think this is easy to install. And okay, alright, so this is the camera. Alright, this is alright. Okay, alright, okay, so this is the webcam. It really looks simple. I'm not sure how good it is, but we will go through later on another video. I will show you like how good it is, especially for those who are attending online class, or maybe like me, sometimes I doing online meeting, sometimes I doing online, organize my own online class, okay, to teach my students. Okay, alright, so okay, it's easy. So it can, like, you can adjust all the angle, alright, you want. Okay, alright, so this is the cable, simple cable, USB only. Okay, because it is a USB webcam. Okay, alright, so nothing in the box, there's only that. Okay, and here you can see there's like a microphone symbol here and also on off button here. Okay, so let's remove the plastics here. Okay, like that. So this looks better. Okay, wait. Alright, okay, so this look better and this look more stylish. Okay, but for that price, I think this is really good consider that price, and I'm not expecting more because it's really cheap. Okay, this is not like the high-end webcam. It's not 4K. It's not I mean like the Logitech one, the branded one. This is more like Chinese product. Okay, but if it's still you can use it, so like I think there's no issue there. Okay, so here is we have the, okay, this is the stand. Okay, this is how you clip on your laptop or your monitor. Okay, on the next video I will show you how to plug in, how to install. I think it's really easy. Okay, so that's it for my unboxing video for this Xiaomi webcam. Okay, alright. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and please leave your comment about this. Maybe any recommendation for the next video. Please recommend to me. I will open to anyone to want to share their opinion and also thoughts. Okay, so that's all for today. Subscribe and like this video. Okay, I will come with more video about a gadget and all other things. Okay, alright, see you on the next video.